Hello, I'm Tania Fernandez Lombao. I'm a professor at the Department of Communication Science of the University of Santiago de Compostela. I'm here to introduce to you the article titled Interactivity in the Online Press Rooms of the Spanish Regional Parliaments, Lights and Shadows, which appears in the Revista Latina de Comunicación Social number 72. This article has been written by myself and other two professors, Pablo Vázquez Sande from the University of Santiago de Compostela and Paula Pineda Martinez from the University of Basque Country. Our research article examines the online press rooms of the Spanish regional parliaments from an original perspective. On the one hand, it approaches these spaces as public communication channels in general, and not only as informational platforms aimed exclusively at journalists. On the other hand, it evaluates the accessibility, content diversity, and interactive possibilities of these spaces through a purpose-created coding sheet that we think can be useful for the scientific community. Although there are certain divergences, there is a consolidated tendency towards an optimal level in the field of accessibility, which reinforces the initial hypothesis that press rooms no longer focus exclusively on journalists but also target the general public. The situation is less satisfactory in the use of channels and tools, which are significantly underused. However, the area with the lowest values is citizen participation and interaction, which casts a shadow on the good parameters obtained in accessibility. Singular attention should be paid to alternatives such as synchronous tools, suggestion boxes, and even the capacity to make comments, which are options and that have not been incorporated effectively in any newsroom. From a global point of view, it's important to mention that the standard designed by the research team considers up to 240 points with the sum of the ratings of the three levels. The fact that none of the press rooms obtained even half of the points due to their deficient approach to citizen interaction and participation is significant. But perhaps the most important finding is that there are communities that only obtained 60 points, which represents only 25% of the total. The results confirm the initial hypothesis that proposed that regional parliaments in Spain continue to follow a classic one-way communication model that is oblivious to technological innovations. The full article is available in the website of the Revista Latina de Comunicación Social. You can email us to the addresses that appear on the cover of the article if you need any further information about our research work. Thanks for your